Hi everyone, it's Bitcoin Brian here with Bitcoin Fam. And today I'm going to do a video on SWE. If you could, hit the like button, the bell notification, subscribe, leave a comment. All of that will really help us out. Thanks. Before I get started, I have to put out the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This is my opinions and views, and it's for entertainment purposes only. So anyway, we'll get right into it. What is SWE? SWE is an innovative, decentralized layer 1 blockchain that redefines asset ownership. So it's like an Ethereum. Ethereum is also a layer 1 blockchain. So smart contracts and things of that nature. Demand spikes. It doesn't mean your fees are going to go up. So this horizontal scaling keeps fees low and steady, even at times of increased demand. Whereas we've seen with Ethereum, when demand went up, there's more transactions, the fees went up. Well, with SWE, that's not going to happen. And it's fast enough for any application. Parallel processing allows simple transactions, such as asset transfers, to finalize in real time without sacrificing security. So that's good, because security is a very, very important factor in these layer 1 blockchains. So, and then it's dynamic assets for you actually own. SWE's object-centric data model allows digital assets and their attributes to live on-chain and outside of smart contracts. I know gaming is looking at building their games on this layer 1. Security, as you can see, like I said, is an important factor, and they're saying it's in their DNA. So secure assets, secure contracts, secure transactions, and a secure network. So security is a big deal to SWE, which is good. So who invented SWE? Well, SWE was developed by Diligence Labs, which is led by several former senior executives and architects for Meta, now the defunct digital wallet program, Novi, that they were going to go ahead and launch. Meta used to be Facebook. It utilizes a delegated proof of stake consensus mechanism with a new set of token holders, picking validators for token staking every 24-hour period. So, I feel, former senior executives from Meta, from Facebook. So I think they know what they're doing. What is Diligence Labs up to? Well, but the company has raised $300 million and is serious about launching high-end games on its SWE Layer 1 blockchain. SWE mainnet launched yesterday, and it goes live with 11 gaming partners, including one company making a game based on The Walking Dead, starting as early as May 15th. So that's pretty cool. You know how big The Walking Dead was, and they're making a game for it. So there's a lot of stuff going on. It seems like it's the gaming industry is shying towards using SWE more so than Ethereum, especially because SWE can do it's been tested to handle up to 297,000 transactions a second, where Ethereum can only handle 30 transactions a second. So with gaming, if it's in-game paying and whatnot, they're going to need to go ahead and process a lot of transactions quickly. So Ethereum really wouldn't work for that type of application where they're only able to process 30 transactions a second. So, and of course, once the network gets bogged down with Ethereum, the fees are going to go up. Whereas with SWE, that will not happen. So, and also in crypto news, the foundation is repurposing 117 million tokens for the community development. So they're going to use those tokens probably for external market makers to accelerate ecosystem development and support growth initiatives. So they're looking at just investing in themselves and the company and growing it, which is always a good thing. If you find companies where they just want to go ahead and take the money out of it, you definitely want to stay away from companies like that. Also in Korea, which Korea is big into the crypto industry, they're launching their first gaming products on the SWE network in 2024, and that just came out last month. And also SWE network adds Google, Twitch, and Facebook login for D apps. So the SWE network aims to simplify Web3 access, so it'll enable users registrations on its apps without having to manage an external crypto wallet or seed phrase. Excuse me. So anyway, and there's 6 clovers is rolling out Versal network for cross-border payments. There's a lot of things going on. Binance is partnering with Sui, using them. So it's getting a lot of new business and new companies using Sui to build on them. So they're definitely going to go ahead and give Ethereum some competition. Price predictions. So next year, they're saying price predictions could be as low as 35 cents or as high as 93 cents. Whereas 2025, where, of course, this $3.20 is where they think it's going to peak during the bull market. So in the current price right now is 40, just call it 41 cents. And 41 cents, that's going to be roughly an 800% gain if it goes to from 41 cents to $3.20. That'd be an 800% gain over the next year and a half. So that would be that'd be a really nice gain in investment or trade if you completed that trade. So I'm looking at Sui myself as I'm building a position in it. So I'm not really trying to trade this one. Looking at the chart right now, doesn't look good. It's just been in a downtrend since it launched, and it launched back, in roughly May, the beginning of May, and it launched and it came out about, dollar, a little over $1. But since then, it's just been gradually going down. Of course, we've been in this bear market, and so right now it looks like Bitcoin's battling, and we're hoping that Bitcoin is going to not go below the 26,000 level and, continue up, which will eventually bring all altcoins up with it. But right now, the altcoin market is just, and it kind of still stuck in this downtrend. So I see Sui as it's just been making lower lows and lower highs since it launched. So, but I think it's going to have to turn around. I think what's going to happen is, we still could be going down for the next few months. It could start going sideways. It's anybody's guess right now what it's going to do. Do I think it's going to go much lower than where it is? I don't. So I'm kind of just dollar cost averaging my way into this crypto. So each time I'll place a bet, I'll just look at the best possible price I see to enter. And if it goes down, that's fine. I'll buy some more at a lower price, but I believe in this coin. So I think at some point it's definitely going to turn around, and it's going to have a very, very nice gain in this next upcoming bull market. So that's all I have for Sui today. I think it's going to be one of these coins that are going to stick around, and it's going to make it through the bull market in shining colors with some great gains. And we'll have to see what the future holds. And if I hear any more great news or negative news on Sui, I'll let you guys know. Everybody have a great day.